Yeah. So, yes, good afternoon and welcome to the session. How are you?
I'm doing great, ma'am. Exceptionally well and buzzing with positive vibe because in front of me, ma'am Rajni ma'am is there.
Thank you so much. Okay, so we are meeting for the very first time. I'm really happy and glad that you joined the session today. It's been a long time that you were messaging me for the session, and we once booked, but then we were not able to connect. So I'm really glad that we are connected
Um,
today. May I know a bit about yourself?
yes, ma'am. I delighted to introduce myself. My name is Pooja Bhatt. Basically, my roots are from Uttarakhand, but currently I live in Bangalore with my family. I have done post graduation with science stream, B.Ed, and CTET qualified too. If I talk about my hobbies, I'm a bibliophile and melophile person. I love to read books and listen music. It cheers me up. Nowadays, I have a bee in my bonnet about learning this language. It's quite fascinating. I'm learning day by day. I'm thriving also. So that's a bit about me, ma'am.
Oh, wow, that's really an amazing introduction, I would say. And the way you tried using even these many words in just your introduction made me like, oh my God. I had to just go through my vocabulary again, and I took a break of a week that I didn't connect to anyone. I was busy. And now I'm back too. So, but
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
still feeling a
I have
little
seen your video, ma'am.
okay.
I have seen your engagement video.
Mm-hmm.
Congratulations
Thank you so much.
to you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And now I have to just start the reading again and everything because yeah, whenever we take a even small break, it's visible in our speech, right? Okay, so
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
really excited to know first that from where did you get those words? How do you accumulate those words, and what helps you to use them in your conversations? Because this is something that can help everybody, and everybody is curious to know this thing. I had one session earlier with Indu. I still remember. I don't forget her name. The way she spoke
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
session, the way she used impressive words while speaking inspired me a lot. So I think you are the second one now
Yes,
and will
ma'am.
not forget your name too. So yes, throw some light on this.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it's been 4 months. I'm learning. As I mentioned, that I'm thriving also because earlier I used to speak broken language, but at the day when I decided to learn this language, so I'm keep adding new expression, idiom, phrasal verb, and as you said, Indu, she is also my friend, and we have joined the same platform where we get those vast knowledge. I would say that we are learning, and yeah, I'm also learning and the new vocabulary. I try to use those words, and whatever I learn while conversating, I deliberately try to use those words so that I would be familiar with those words, and I use. So that is thing, ma'am. I
Okay, so I
learned this.
think this comes from Neha Rana ma'am because I remember I
Yes, ma'am.
watched her videos earlier, a lot of videos, and whenever I get time, I watch her videos and I see that she has a lot of words in her list. So
Yeah,
and she always tries using all the phrasal verbs, idioms and words. Even she
idiom.
makes
Yes,
certain short videos also where she's describing certain situations and related to that then vocabulary. So it's reflecting in your speech that you are attentively attending the sessions or practicing with people, and whatever they are teaching, whatever they are sharing, you are trying to just learn and go through. Sometimes what happens,
yes, ma'am.
since we have ample resources now when it comes to improving any skill or any language, and but still people struggle just because they don't pay attention and they are not actively practicing. I think repetition is key here. When you revise, when you try and push yourself and deliberately try using those words and idioms in your speech, and it's not like one day you do and for next 3 days you are not doing it, then you won't be able to incorporate. By listening to others and just
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
that inspiration is not enough. we have to apply also those things in our life, and then we can definitely achieve that. I'm really proud of you, and I'm really happy that people are that much serious and enthusiastic. And now you don't have any
Yes,
fear,
ma'am.
hesitation, or a kind of thought, okay, I have started late, so I won't be able to. So that is also not there. Even with Indu also, it was not there. It was so charismatic, I would say, energy I got from
Yes.
her. The positive attitude she has, and you also have the positive attitude, which is like keep learning, keep revising. Amazing.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I would like to share the that day when I joined that platform. I got lots of things, like not only speaking English, because as a homemaker, we can't afford to go outside.
Hmm.
After having lots of responsibilities, kids are there, other responsibility. So that platform gives us an opportunity. It opens a door of new opportunities so that you can also do. And like this, I saw now still I'm learning, ma'am. I'm making lots of mistakes, but I don't have any fear. I'm confident enough to do. If
Hmm.
I'm making mistakes, so means I'm in right track. And making mistakes is a part and parcel of our life. It shows your track, and you are on right track. And yeah, like earlier, I used to fumble and hesitate. I tried to conceal myself that maybe people will judge me, maybe they will try to laugh on me. And I have seen, ma'am, lots of people means earlier I have a habit to dance in others tune,
Hmm.
so like with there that platform I learned, like, don't brush it off those things, those negativity. Keep your wear horse blinker and focus on your track, and don't focus on others. So positivity I learned, and attitude, the way you think, believe on yourself.
Hmm.
Definitely, you will create success and create magic in your life if you are determined, perseverance enough. So nothing, sky has limit to reach there.
I got it now.
Yes,
Like all the words I heard in her videos, and are you are
ma'am.
also using all these words, and I'm really happy to hear, because this is the, I feel, a
Yes,
benefit
ma'am.
of connecting to other enthusiastic learners, that my words are also
Yes.
revised when I talk to them. Like when I listen to them, I'm like, okay. So okay, and
And I also learned from your videos also, ma'am. Now
mhm,
I'm following you. It's been 2 or 3 months when I started. So after that, I one day I just stumbled upon your one video with Ram sir, I think.
okay.
So then I got to know, okay. So on that day onwards, I'm regularly watching your videos and
Mm-hmm.
learning a lot. Your patience, your calm and composedness. So I'm learning a lot from your side also, ma'am.
Thank you so much. May I know what kind of genre you are into, like when it comes to reading?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm not a voracious reader, as Hindu is, she is. But I love to read, but not that much, like 2, 3 books in a week, because
Hmm.
I have a habit to know about each and every line that what author wants to say. Even
Hmm.
still, I have finished only 1 or 2 books, but I try to know each and every word meaning. But I love, as I mentioned, that I have done B.Ed and the masters on science. So I love to read nature's, like in botany book, because I have done my masters with botany.
Hmm.
So I love NCRT books, and 6th to 8th NCRT book is quite fascinating. The way they try to teach a student. So I love the way. So yeah,
Hmm.
I read NCRT's book so that I can kill two birds with one stone. Maybe I would also appear on my exam and crack it, and
Hmm.
it would definitely help on in this journey also, ma'am.
Absolutely, absolutely. When we are going through these books, yeah, as you mentioned that you are able to kill two birds with one stone, and that's a great thing, I would say. Okay, so you don't
Yes,
have particularly any that extra thing that you can try your hands on. Okay. And what
yes,
are
ma'am.
your resolutions for this year? Anything special that you are planning to complete or do or achieve, except achieving that fluency and next level in communication? This is, I know, is one, because as you are here on this
Yes,
platform, platform and connecting to me today. It shows that you are into it and you want to achieve this in 2026. Apart from this, anything else?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Firstly, I want to become a good human being because firstly, you can't pour with empty cup. Firstly, you should have those things, then you can pour. And
Hmm.
the next thing I want to crack and I want to become a teacher because it's my childhood dream. I always see myself as a teacher.
Hmm.
So it doesn't matter for school only. So I can teach at home also. So
Hmm.
yeah, ma'am, teaching is my profession. I love teaching. So yes, I have taken this resolution to become teacher, and now I'm putting actually in 3 month. Like I have been learning only this language, but now I realized like I should focus on my own subject also because it's quite different. Science subject is quite different.
Hmm.
So now I have started to read to revise my own notes, and
Hmm.
yeah, maybe if vacancy would come, if government would conduct this exam, so I would appear. So by if I crack this exam, so I would become teacher.
Hmm. And do not just rely on the exam. Like with the help of exam, you would be become a government teacher. But yes, there is a lot of scope when there is a teacher who
Yes, ma'am.
can explain and can explain explicitly and clearly all the complex things which are there and
Yes, ma'am.
students are not able to understand. So through that, we are lucky, I think, that we have this social media technology. We should leverage these things and can start teaching wherever we want, like on YouTube, or you can start on your own platform, or
Yes,
you can join also somewhere where you can just demonstrate your teaching style, and you can just make some videos they ask, and then you are hired. So if you can first try your hands on government job and simultaneously keep polishing your
yes,
skill,
ma'am.
and you would be able to do something, like if not government, at least in private, like on your own also it's possible.
Private.
The way I am doing now,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
I prepared for banking but that didn't work, and now I'm like teaching English and people are satisfied, whoever is connected to me. Every time when I conduct sessions for 1 month, and a lot of my students repeat after completing my 1 month batch, they complete my 3 month batch, they come back. So that shows me that okay, they are interested and they are enjoying learning with me, and I'm able to see an improvement also in them. So this is something that helps me
Yes, ma'am.
continue with the journey and keep working on myself, and the same you can also try. And in this case, you don't need to
Yes,
then go out also, and you don't need to have to answer somebody. So you are your boss and you can
yes,
plan the lessons, plan everything accordingly, according to yourself. So I think that is more
yes, ma'am.
convenient, and you can use and can do the things the way you want to do. Sometimes in a government
Yes.
sector, some things are like given as a duty or as a command, that okay, this is
Yes.
how you have to
We
teach,
have
this
to.
is. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. We have to under someone. I
Hmm.
truly agree with you because if you nowadays social media is blessing in disguise. If you use it appropriate manner, so it can create magic also. Like as you said, you are also teaching. So if I also want to teach, so I can choose YouTube also. Even I have one small YouTube channel, ma'am. Nowadays I'm posting related English related content, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking about this also. I don't want to waste my science knowledge. I want to impart it also. So yeah, I'm thinking about it because in government sector, like you, because already our plate is over flooded. Our kids are there, and especially for mother, they have to think about their kids. Like your mother, and both are worker parents. So kids, it effect on kids. They feel loneliness, isolated.
Hmm.
So yeah, I'm also thinking, ma'am, actually my husband has a transferable job, so rotational job also. So it's a very hard nut to crack to make time for my kids from my
Hmm.
husband's side. So my kids, it's my responsibility. So yeah, I have to think about them also.
So
And
then
thank you for this
doing
suggestion,
on
ma'am.
your own would be good for you then, because simultaneously you would be focused on them and you can just fix a time slot which you want to devote to this profession. And then you, otherwise if you are in a
Yes, ma'am.
government sector, you don't have the control over your time. They would tell you these many hours and you have to go
Yes,
there. But if you are doing on your own, you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
control, like 2 hours if you have free, or 3 hours if you can give to this, and accordingly you can plan your lessons and do things from home. Yeah, so
Yes,
that's
even ma'am, my daughter is, yeah, my daughter is just 3 year old. So
okay.
I just for experiment, I went to give an interview. So I cracked also two interview, but
Mm-hmm.
I know they also want 100% energy from my side. But
Hmm.
I can't afford this because if I'm giving time at home also and school also, so it will overburden for me as well. So that's
True.
why I denied. But
Hmm.
yeah, I will also think about it. I will give it a shot to this idea also, ma'am.
That's true. That's true. Okay. As you mentioned that you want to be a good human being, may I know the definition of good human being?
Yes, ma'am. Good human being means you have concern about needy people, humanity, kindness is there, and if you are success, if you are means normal condition also, if you have something, so you can help to others. As I said that, ma'am, now I'm fully depend on my husband, so I can't afford to give others. Means whatever I have, I try to give, but like not that much because I have
Hmm.
to think also about my family. But if my bucket is full, then I can pour others. So
True.
definitely, firstly, I want whatever they need. People, it doesn't matter, ma'am. Like your stuff means something you are giving. It could
Hmm.
be your knowledge also. If I am able to give impart my knowledge to needy person, because I belong to a hilly place, mountain village. So I
Hmm.
have seen, ma'am, that how they are struggling, how even women's are struggling to attend their PTM, their kids' PTM, because they don't have knowledge. They are not that much literated. So
Hmm.
if I am able to impart my knowledge to them, so maybe their kids would also feel that my mother is also knowledgeable.
Hmm.
So yeah, as you are doing, as I told, like both tutors, Sunita ma'am and Neha ma'am are giving. So like it's very important, ma'am. You can change others' life, and as a proverb is there, someone's stress is others' treasure. So yeah, if you means you are not using, you are able, you have something to give others. Maybe their happiness, conceal in that thing. So I
True.
try to be kind and yeah, to give
Hmm.
needy people to some
Okay.
extent.
Any certain
Yes, ma'am.
practices that you follow to be a human being? Anything?
Actually, ma'am, I can't afford a lot, but whenever I have some clothes and food for whosoever come in my house, like
Hmm.
monk and beggar, I try to give them. But I
Okay.
don't try to give them money because maybe they misuse those money. So, like whenever one monk is also there near to my house, whenever he feels that whenever he doesn't have any source of earning money and earning food, means eating food, so he always come in my house and I
Hmm.
prepare food for him. I give him even clothes. I also gave my last birthday of my daughter, so lots of clothes were there. My daughter is outgrown of those clothes, so
Hmm.
I gave to needy people. So she was also feeling very happy, and every time she said, "Thank you, auntie, thank you." So that kind of thank you gives me, next level happiness.
True. That's true.
So a small thing I can, what I can afford. So small thing I try to be.
Hmm. Right. Absolutely. Okay. And I think you mentioned in the chat box that you wanted to discuss the topic, which is travel. Traveling is something that fascinates you the
Yes,
most,
ma'am.
right? Okay. So, may I know how many places you have traveled to, and since when you are traveling, and which one is your maybe dream destination which you like to explore or visit, any particular city, any particular place?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, before marriage, I didn't go anywhere. But after getting married, as I mentioned, my husband has a transferable job,
Hmm.
so I got lots of opportunities. Firstly, my husband was posted in Bombay, GNPT port. Actually, my husband works in CISF sub inspector. So there I visited. There I had been, and after that Kerala. I lived there 3 years, and then now Bangalore. So most of time my husband got get chance to capital of state. So and he has itchy feet also. So because of
Mm-hmm.
him, I also visit lots of place, cuisine, culture, diversity in language. So
Mm-hmm.
it also just like a book. It opening new discoveries, new places, just like a books. And yeah, it's an amalgamation of exposure, imagination, inspiration. I would say
Hmm.
lots of things I got get from him, and even my native place is Uttarakhand. So as you know about, it's a very beautiful state.
Yes.
So whenever I visit there also, so I love Himalayan and off-beaten route to visit because it gives me a tranquility, peace of mind. I love to visit those places, ma'am. And
Okay.
as you ask, like one of the best place, I love Kerala, ma'am, because the
Ah.
beaches, mountain,
Hmm.
there also I visited. So yeah, that is very nice. It is itself, I think, God's country. It called. So
It's a
when I was
my
there,
dream
so we
destination
used
too.
to visit a lot.
Hmm. It's
Yes,
my dream
ma'am.
destination too. Like I
Yes,
really
ma'am. And
want to
I
visit Kerala.
yes, ma'am. And I spent 3.5 year there. So every nook and corner we visit there.
Hmm. That's
Beaches,
amazing. I've already traveled
temple.
to. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
I have few students from
So
South
it
India, and they are always like, okay, you can come
okay.
anytime, and you should visit this place. You should come here. Because of work, I'm right now not able to, and definitely later in life, I'll definitely visit some places. I want to travel. I haven't done so far much because of study purpose. Here and there I went, but not for particularly traveling purpose and exploring. And when we travel a lot, we learn a
Yes,
lot,
ma'am.
just like how we learn from books.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, we understand more humans' behavior, how they behave, and what kind of people they are.
Yes.
Otherwise, we always have a certain perception in our mind for every state, and for like South Indian people
Yes.
think in a different way for maybe northern
Yes, even ma'am,
side. And
I visited there three,
hmm,
yeah, three state, Bombay and Kerala and Bangalore. So I always prefer to go Kerala
hmm,
because I know that mentality also depend, person here also. Most of northern Indians we can find, but local people has different mindset. But in
hmm,
Kerala, they are always ready to help us. Always,
hmm,
like I have faced means 2 3 problems, more than 2 3. So they always ready to help, and even though they don't know Hindi
hmm,
and sometimes they don't know English also, after that
hmm,
they try to make connection with us.
hmm. That's a great thing then. Like finding like-minded people and
Hello.
finding people who are always ready to help us is an amazing thing. It's also a blessing. Okay, great.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I would like to highlight one more thing here before we wind up the session, that people who are watching this video and want to connect with me in the same way can join my Try to Thrive Telegram. I'll paste the link in the description box. And I have started 2 new batches. Still, if you want to join those batches, you can just message me. Personally, I have mentioned my Try to Thrive in my personal ID also in my Try to Thrive Telegram group. And for my further upcoming batches also, you can get further information from there. And for one-on-one these free sessions also, you can access from there itself, because whenever I am available, I just mention or share a message there, and from there Pooja ji got this opportunity to connect to me today and shared her vast knowledge with us. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much for sharing insightful knowledge that you have. And I am really happy and glad to see how you are thriving and working on yourself. You are such an inspiration, just like Indu, and this would help a lot of housewives also out
Yes,
there to start and maintain consistency.
thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. It was an insightful conversation with you, and especially that thrive word I have learned from you, your channel. Because when I
Okay.
saw your try to thrive, so I have that curiosity that what does it mean, thrive?
Hmm.
So then I go to Chat
Yeah.
GPT, and from that day onwards, I'm using a lot this word.
That's amazing thing
So
about
thank
you,
you
that
so
whenever
much,
you
ma'am.
learn new words, you try using, and this is the pragmatic way to improve vocabulary. Okay, yeah. Thank you so
Yes, ma'am.
much and have a great evening ahead. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.